In this video, I will show you how you can sync the media of your Telegram group with your WhatsApp automatically. So what will happen, if any of your team member will upload any kind of media over this group, you will get a notification about the same on your WhatsApp, something like, dear manager, one new media has just got uploaded on Telegram group and this is the name of the group, and in this way you can get the link of the media, which is our downloadable link. Now to automate this whole process, firstly we will have to build a connection in this Telegram application and in the application of sending the WhatsApp messages like Vati. Yes, for sending the WhatsApp messages I will be using this Vati application, which is an amazing application because it has the access of official API of WhatsApp. In place of Vati, you can also go with AI Sensi or Interact or with any other WhatsApp messaging application. Alright, now if you are not sure how you can create an account in Vati, I will attach a separate video or a documentation in my description box. You can refer that documentation, create an account and then come back here. Now to integrate these two applications, I will use another software called as Pabbly Connect, which is an amazing integration and automation software. I am an existing user of Pabbly Connect, so I am already logged in here. You can create your free account in Pabbly Connect in just 2 minutes from this sign up free button, and in the free account you will also get free tasks to test these kind of amazing automation. Now once you will log in and reach out to the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, click on this blue button, that is create workflow, and then provide a random name to your workflow to your automation. So I have directly pasted the name as Get Telegram Media on WhatsApp. Now it will ask you to select the folder in which you want to create your automation workflow. So I'll be selecting this main workflow folder. Now clicking on create, and after that you will find 2 boxes. So these boxes are called as trigger and action, and here the trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So whenever something happen in your first application, then automatically do this in your next application. Okay, so in this way you need to always choose your applications in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation. Okay, so according to our use case, I want that whenever any new media is uploaded in my Telegram application, automatically send the messages over WhatsApp. Okay, so I have selected Telegram. Now I will be selecting Vati. As I have just told you that you will have to select the application in this trigger and the action window in which you are building an automation, and by clicking on this plus icon you can add as many as action steps as you want and connect to different application, and in this way you can automate your complex business processes. Okay, now we will be connecting these 2 applications one by one with the Pabbly Connect. So let's connect Telegram with the Pabbly Connect. So selecting the action event, that is set webhook watch updates, and then clicking on connect, then clicking on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you for the token. So you will have to search for the bot father, or you can even directly click on this link. Okay, so this is my Telegram application, searching for the bot father firstly. Alright, so this is the bot father. Now here I'm going to follow these instructions. To create a new bot, type /bot. Okay, so I'll be doing the same, coming back over my Telegram, and in this bot father I'm giving this instruction, and it is saying, alright, a new bot, how are we going to call it? Please choose a name for your bot. Okay, so I'll be providing some random name, something like new bot it is. Okay, it is 1. Okay, pressing enter. Well, it is saying good. Now let's choose a username for your bot, and it should be end with this underscore bot. Okay, so how about I directly copy the same name, underscore, and then I will add this bot, and in this way you will notice my bot will be generated and you will also receive this token. Well, this is really important because we will have to use it further. Also I'll show you where. Okay, so simply copy and paste that token and click on save, and in this way your Telegram application will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect. Alright, it is connected. Now in order to receive the notifications about this Telegram, firstly we will have to add this particular bot as the group admin of this Telegram group. Yes, currently there are 2 members, so I will be adding the same bot, clicking on this plus icon and searching for the same, that is new bot it is 1. Alright, so this is my bot which I have added. Clicking on this arrow button, invitation via link. Alright, skip, and my bot has been added. Here you can notice I have sent the invitation. And not just that, you will also have to make this bot as an admin of this group. Then only you will be able to get the information in the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Okay, so give me a second. Let me first to do that. Basically, I'm going to promote this bot as an admin of this group, and that is only possible with the Telegram mobile application. It is not possible with the Telegram web application. Okay, so give me a second, let me do the same. Alright, so using my mobile phone, I have created this bot as an admin of this group, and now I will even show you the same. Currently you can notice there are 3 members. Clicking over here, showing you the same, and you can notice now this bot is the admin of this group. Okay, now I'll click on the save and send test request button, and you will notice that it will start waiting for the response. So basically it is saying once you have clicked over save and send test request button, do a test submission or record in that application in order to capture the response here. Okay, so basically it is asking to do a test submission or record, and here the test submission means uploading of a new media. Okay, give me a second, let me click on this button once again, and then only I will be able to show you that note. Okay, test submission or records. So don't worry, we will send a media over this Telegram group. Okay, and you will notice the details will be captured via Pabbly Connect, and you must be thinking that just now we have got few details. So what was those details? So basically it was the details of that bot only, that this bot has been created and has been added as the member of this group. Okay, now because I have clicked on that button, it is again waiting for the response. So give me a second, let me attach some media here. Alright, so I am uploading this particular media, and the media has been shared over this group. Assume that some team member has created this design, and because this design is ready, he has shared this on Telegram with all the team members. And as soon as he does that, you can notice the same details has been captured via Pabbly Connect. Also you can notice we have the height and width, we also have this update ID. Now I'll show you the group name as well as that media ID. Okay, so did you notice we have the group name as this designing team, and you can also notice that file ID. Yes, this is the same file ID, and here we have other details also, but we were looking for the image, but I'm not able to see any image here. So I think the image has not been captured in this particular response. So I will have to click on this plus icon once again, and will have to add this Telegram application once again with the Pabbly Connect. Okay, and using an action event, I will be fetching the image details. Okay, give me a second, I'll show you everything step by step. Instead of selecting any send or text reply, you will have to go with this action event, that is get file. Now click on connect, and this time you do not have to go with the new connection, you can also reuse that existing connection. Click on save, and in this way it will be connected, and now it will ask you to provide the file ID using which we can actually fetch the file details. Okay, and the interesting thing here is I don't need to manually copy the above details or basically the file ID and paste below again and again here for every new media. I am going to map that file ID so that every time a new media is uploaded, that file ID will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time or in next time. Yes, this is the power of mapping. Let me show you how you can map it. Alright, so this is the file ID which I have successfully mapped. Okay, so whatever the details you will provide here via mapping, these details will be replaced automatically when our automation will work in real time. Now I have clicked on that button save and send test request, and here you can notice the response is received, and in this response we also have this file path. So this file path is really useful because using this file path only we are going to create a URL, basically a media URL, from where we can actually download that media, download that image. Now how this URL creation can be possible, you just need to follow these instructions. This is the example. Simply add this link. Okay, this link is going to remain same for every new file link. Okay, and after that you will have to provide the token. Remember, we have generated a token. All right, this was the bot we have created. Along with that we have also received the token. So yes, you will have to paste this token after this particular link, and then you will have to provide that image file path. Okay, this is the file path which I have pasted the same along with this slash only. Now I'm pressing enter and you will notice that the image will be opened up. Well, something is wrong, I'll have to check. This is the photos URL, and before that I will also have to provide this slash. I think I have missed that slash. Give me a second, let me provide the same after this photos. Basically before this photos, pressing enter once again, and here you can notice the same image is ready to download. Okay, so in this way you can create that link. You can basically send that link over WhatsApp. Okay, so in this way the second step of our automation is also done. Now moving further, I'll show you how you can send the WhatsApp messages using Vati. So right now I'm assuming that you already have an account in WhatsApp, basically in Vati, and after the account creation is set up, you can connect that Vati application with the Pabbly Connect. How? Firstly, select the action event, that is send a template message, then click on connect, then click on add a new connection, and for the connection it will ask you the endpoint as well as the access token. Okay, so how you can get the following details? Directly click on this API docs, and in this way from here only you can get both the details. Okay, so this is the access token. Let me copy and paste the same here. Alright, asking for the endpoint also. Give me a second, let me again copy and paste the same here. Now click on save, and in this way the Vati account will be immediately connected with Pabbly Connect, and the very first thing it is asking for the WhatsApp number on which you want to forward these media. So here I will be providing my own WhatsApp number only, my genuine WhatsApp number. Okay, for now I'm adding this random number, but don't worry, I will replace this number, and you will also have to follow these instructions. Moving further, it will ask you to select the template. So whatever the templates are already created in my Vati account have started visible here. Let me even show you that, but you must be thinking what are these templates all about. Okay, so whenever you send the WhatsApp messages using official API of WhatsApp, you will always have to create a message template, get it approved via Facebook, and then only you will be able to initiate the conversation with your customers, clients and users. Okay, in this case you can notice I have already created several templates, and a lot of them are even approved, few of them are even rejected, and few of them are actually into the draft mode. Okay, and for sending these media links I have already created one template. Let me show you everything about that template. So this is the name I have provided, this is the category I have selected, this is the language I have selected. In the broadcast title I want to send this text as the attachment, as the header, so I have selected the same. In place of text, let's say you want to send any media, you can also select the document, image or video. Okay, but currently I am going with the same, and this is the text I wanted to appear as the header. So yes, I have predefined that text here only, and from here you can compose your message which you would like to receive on your own WhatsApp number. Okay, so this is the message I have created. Dear manager, one new media is just uploaded on Telegram group, and here the group name will appear automatically. So yes, you must be thinking that what are these values packed with these curly braces. Okay, so whatever the details you want to keep on changing automatically, you can add those values in the form of variable, but whatever the details we have provided here manually will remain same. And why these variables are required? Because we are going to use the single message template only to send the multiple medias over my WhatsApp number. Okay, so I hope you have understood. Just in case if you want to attach any footer or button along with your message, you can also do the same, but because it was optional, so I have left for now. And now finally it will ask you for the sample content. Basically what content will appear in place of these variables, you will have to define that using the sample content, using the dummy content. And once all the details are provided, you can submit it for the approval, and the parent company of WhatsApp, that is Meta, is going to disapprove or approve this particular template. Okay, I hope you have understood. Coming back, and the name of my template is media share. Okay, so how about I select the same, that is media share. Well, it has selected automatically, asking for the broadcast name. So how about I add some random image, something like send image on Telegram. Okay, Now it is looking good, and after that it will ask you to provide the custom parameters. This is the most interesting part of this Vati, because from here only we are going to provide the values to our variables which we have added inside our WhatsApp application, okay, inside our WhatsApp template. Okay, so how you can do that? Simply copy the pair of curly braces for the same number of time for which you have created the variables in your WhatsApp template. Okay, so currently I have created only 2 variables, so the same thing you will have to copy and paste only for 2 number of times, and after that in place of these colors you will have to provide the variable names. Okay, and in the value of, in place of these values you will have to provide the value of these variables. Okay, so let me first copy the name of the variable, that is group media, basically group name, and the group name value is actually the group name, so I will be again mapping from this drop down only, which was designing team. Okay, so let me tell you this once again, whatever the details you will provide here manually will remain same, but whatever the details you will map here will be changed automatically when our automation will work in real time. Now it is asking for the colors, so let me search for the same, give me a second. Alright, so I have removed that, and now it's turned for the second variable, so I have copied the name, let me paste the same here, and for the value I'm going to add that image link. Remember, I have created this image here in the tab, so firstly you will have to copy this particular bot, basically this particular part, and paste the same in place of this value. Give me a second. Well, I'm really sorry, make sure that you do not remove this value. You will have to remove this color blue. Okay, so yes, I have removed that, and firstly I have added this particular link, and this link will not vary, so I have defined it manually. After that you will have to copy and paste this token, so give me a second, let me paste the same, and after that add a slash, and then that file ID will appear, the file path will appear, so you can map the same from the second Telegram step. Okay, so give me a second. Alright, so I have mapped it successfully. Make sure that you do not include any extra comma in the end of this curly braces. Okay, so I think I have provided the values. How about I delete this existing message in front of you, and then I'll show you how the message will be sent. Okay, so give me a second, let me first replace this number with my genuine number, and then I'll show you that. Alright, so clicking on this button, save and send test request, and waiting for the response to receive. While the response is received and the notification is also received on my WhatsApp application, let me check the same. New media is uploaded on Telegram. Dear manager, one new media is just uploaded on Telegram group, designing team. Here you can find the media. If I will click on that media, you will notice that this image is actually getting downloaded, and it is the same image which we have shared over our Telegram group. Okay, give me a second. And yes, it is the same image. For now I am closing it, and I hope you have understood how you can sync your Telegram media with WhatsApp. But here I would like to tell you a very important thing. If you will create this automation in this way, what will happen? Every time any new message or a media or any kind of thing will be posted in this Telegram group, every single detail will be fetched up via Pabbly Connect instantly, and it is going to fetch the ID, and in this way the data will be sent. But in this way what will happen, you will start getting lot of notification on your WhatsApp number which are actually of no use for you. Okay, so what we can do, we can apply a filter after this Telegram application, which is first going to check whether it is a type of media or not. If the media is right, then only notification should be received. Otherwise this automation should stop here only. Okay, so filter is an amazing feature via which you can apply different kind of conditions within your workflow, within your automation. Now I'll be selecting this filter values and just click on connect, and it will be connected immediately. And here we are going to define the condition on this particular thing. Give me a second, I'll show you this. So our use case is to sync your media with WhatsApp, not text with the WhatsApp. So using this filter condition, I am going to check that if that response consists of media or text. Okay, so select this filter, click on connect, and it would be connected immediately. And in this response, in the select label, you can find the same above response. Here I will be searching for the file. So if the file ID exists, that means my response consisting of media, and in such cases this automation should proceed further. But if it contains text only. In such cases, this file IDs will not present. So based on that condition, our automation will take place. Okay, so let me show you how you can do that. What you can do basically is you can map any file ID, and in place of this equal to, you will have to go with this exist. Click on save and send test request, and this time the condition will be true. Whenever the condition is true, our automation will proceed further and forward the messages over WhatsApp. But if my response does not consist of any file, in such cases the condition will be false, and in such cases our automation will stop here only. So based on this condition, true or false, our automation will take decision. And once this automation is ready inside Pabbly Connect, after that you can sit back and relax, because Pabbly Connect will take care of all the tasks in the backend. You can even close Pabbly Connect from here. And just in case if you want to access this 4-step automation inside your Pabbly Connect account, I will also attach the link of my automation workflow into the description box. Click on this link, sign up for free into the Pabbly Connect, and then you will be able to access the same workflow inside your own Pabbly Connect account, that too for free. Not just these applications, you can integrate multiple applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. You can ask your queries at forum.pabbly.com. My team will surely answer to your questions. This is the website of Pabbly Connect, and for the latest updates of Pabbly Connect and unique automation ideas, you can join our Facebook group, that is formget.deals. If you have found this video helpful in any way, share it with your friends and colleagues, and also help them to automate their business. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.